Today we're going to go over proper techniques of adding your filler to your weld pool. TIG welding can be a difficult process to learn. There's lots of components to it. First step is how you're going to hold your filler. You will hold the filler rod in your non-dominant hand, opposite of the torch. The key is to have a light grip on your filler rod, similar to holding a pencil or chopsticks. Rest part of the rod gently on your fingers so you can feed it smoothly. Maintaining the proper angle with your filler rod is key to this process. You will want to maintain a 10 to 15 degree angle from the workpiece with the filler rod. Ensure it feeds into the leading edge of the weld puddle. Don't dip it into the tungsten arc, that will contaminate your tungsten. Next step is your technique in adding filler to your weld. There are two main techniques to it. You can feed the rod manually or you can use the dabbing method. Dabbing is the most common for beginners in general welding. Dip the rod into the weld pool momentarily, then retract. Repeat with each pulse or as the weld puddle progresses. Avoid pulling it out too far, stay close for control and to avoid oxidation. Continuous feed is preferred by the more experienced welders. Feed the rod steadily, like sliding a pen through your fingers. This allows for a smoother, more consistent addition of filler. To improve your filling technique, practice feeding the rod using your thumb, index, and middle finger in a smooth rhythm. This can be practiced with a pen or pencil to ensure smooth movement. For the highest quality TIG weld, keep your filler in the gas coverage area. Ensure the end of the rod is always within the argon gas shield to prevent oxidation. Don't let it wander too far outside the torch area. For more welding tips and techniques, visit millerwelds.com.